coleslaw, you'll need half a cabbage, 2 small apples, half a cup of shredded carrots, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, a half a cup of mayo, a knife, and a cutting board. Before we start, let's wash our hands and the fruits and vegetables that we need for this recipe. First, we're going to chop the cabbage into small pieces. Avoiding your fingers from getting cut, make sure you're holding a fist position while cutting your cabbage. Now it's time to peel and chop your apples. How you're going to chop it is you're going to chop it into small, tiny little pieces. Now what we're going to do is place the ingredients in a bowl. So you're going to gather your cabbage as well as your carrots and your apples, and you're going to put it all in one bowl. Now let's add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to the bowl. Next, we're going to add a half a cup of mayo, After we add mayo, what we're going to do is start mixing it thoroughly with the apples, the cabbage, and the carrots. And voila, it is that easy. Now we have apple coleslaw. Thank you for joining.